Sriye Namaha. Namaste. Welcome to Divine Vedas YouTube channel. In our YouTube channel, you will be able to know the solutions for all your health related queries. Hello all. This is Dr. Rukma Rajendran from Divine Veda. Today I will be discussing on the topic migraine. Are you suffering from migraine and headaches? Are you looking for a natural way to fight against migraine without hurting your body? And you want to know the difference between migraine and other type of headaches? Well then, you're at the right place and watching the right video. Please stay tuned with Divine Veda to know more about migraine and other headaches. Let's get into the topic then. Let's see what is migraine at first. Migraine headache is a troublesome health problem in the present scenario, and it is not easy to deal with.
Migraine is the third most common and sixth most disabling illness in the world. Migraine is a neurological condition which is associated with symptoms such as pain in one side of the head,
Visual disturbances, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, and extreme sensitivity to light, sound, touch, and smell, as well as tingling sensation on the face. In about 25% of the cases, the migraine will be associated with aura.
the sensory change seen before an actual migraine attack. Migraine episode usually occurs in stages and can last for several hours to several days.
85 to 90% of the sufferers are women. It doesn't mean that men won't be getting any migraine attacks, but most commonly it is seen in women. On age classification, if you see means the migraine is most commonly seen in the age above 44 to 45 years.
Let's see about the classifications of migraine. Menstrual migraine, which can be seen in women during their menstrual cycle. Hemiplegic migraine causes temporary weakness on one side of the body. Abdominal migraine, this involves migraine episode linking with irregular function in the gut and abdomen, which is often associated with nausea and vomiting, seen in children under 14 years of age, and it is also called as childhood periodic syndrome. Chronic migraine, this involves having an episode on more than 15 days per month. Basilar migraine associated with brain stem. The common symptom will be speech disturbance. Vestibular migraine with the common symptom of severe vertigo.
In Ayurveda, migraine can be related with Ardhava Betaka. Ardha means half, Avavedaka means penetrating or throbbing type of pain in one side of the head, which is the typical symptom of this illness, which is seen in most of the 1/3 cases. Let's see what are the causes and why do we get recurrent migraine attacks. The first and foremost cause is wrong diet. That is, if a person is following Vada aggravating food, he or she will be having more chance of getting headaches, such as fermented foods, processed foods, oily, pungent, spicy, and sour foods.
Foods, particularly chocolate, caffeine products, cheese, citrus fruits, can also induce migraine.
As previously explained, 90% of the women will be having migraine attacks. That is because of the hormonal changes during their menstrual cycle or with the use of birth control pills.
Unhealthy lifestyle includes poor sleeping pattern, maintaining poor posture, physical exertion, skipping of the meals, dehydration, suppression of natural urges. Emotional factors can also trigger migraine, such as depression, stress, anxiety, excitement.
Let's see what are the pathogenesis of migraine, which is explained in Ayurveda.
Due to the causative factors discussed, the Vata dosham is aggravated alone or in association with Pitta dosham. Hence, it can also be called as Surya Vata in Ayurveda, as the Pitta is compared with the sun in the nature, and the intensity of pain will be at the peak in the afternoon. And also,
As previously explained, cost of factors, Vata can increase alone or in associated with Kapha dosha. The flow of Vata is obstructed, is being blocked. This blockage will lead to the lodging of Vata in one side, which automatically lead to pain, and this pain can be felt in one side of your temporal region of the head, where it will be of a throbbing like of pain, that is a pulsating pain will be there on one side of head for one third of the cases.
The International Headache Society recommends the 5-4-3-2-1 criteria to diagnose migraine without an aura. This number series stands for having 5 or more attacks, each with a duration of 4 hours to 3 days, the headache having at least 2 of the following qualities, such as occurring on one side, pulsating, causing moderate to severe pain aggravated by physical exertion, having at least one additional symptom, such as vomiting, nausea, sensitivity to light, sensitivity to sound, sensitivity to smell. The doctors may recommend imaging or other kind of test to exclude other causes of symptoms such as tumor.
In our next video, you will be able to know more about migraine, its treatment, and its home remedies, diet, yoga, etc. Its link is in the description box given below. Please note, VR as a team is off for a mission to make Ayurveda heard throughout the world through our YouTube channel and through all other social media platforms. I request all the viewers to like and comment on our content, and please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more notification, as we will be posting on Ayurveda, diet, home remedies and yoga, etc. Share this video with your friends and family, and do comment about your health related queries and on which topic you want us to discuss in our upcoming videos. And you can also go through our blog. Its link is also given below in our description box. Thanks for watching Divine Veda. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.